So this is your VAT question paper, VAT 10, if I am not mistaken. So VAT 10. Right, let us start working on this question paper. To my surprise, paper I have just gone through while I was pasting this. A ring of mass 2 kgs and slide on a frictionless horizontal wire. The bob is released from rest in vertical plane when the string was horizontal. After some time, the string makes an angle 37 degrees with the vertical. First of all, what is happening over here? Remember, this is the horizontal rod, and here is your ring, and here is the string. And this is 37 degrees. Now the question is, the displacement of center of mass is, okay, fine. No, what is happening? Earlier they were separated by L. Now they were separated by L sin 37. This is 5 meter actually. This is obviously 3 meter by that time. Yes or no? Here, with respect to ring, if I treat this like a Planck and man problem, if you treat this like a Planck man problem, initially, here is the man, and the Planck is of length L. Now, with respect to the Planck, see, right now I am at 3 meter. Initially, I am at 5 meter. Now I am at 3 meter, right? So displacement of the bob with respect to ring. Remember, this is X component only. This is 2 meter. Any doubt on this? Arevaya, previously with respect to ring, you are at a 5 meter far along X direction. Now with respect to ring, you are 3 meters away. Now what is your displacement? 2 meter. Okay. 2 meter in which direction? Leftward direction. Minus 2 meters. Now displacement of the ring is minus small m by capital M plus small m times displacement of the bob with respect to ring x. Of course, the ring will have only xward, x-based, x-direction displacement. This is equal to, by a small m means what is moving? Bob. Bob mass is 3 kg and 5 into 2. Agreed? And minus 2, sorry. This is a plus 6 by 5. 1.2 meter. Displacement of the ring is 1.2 meter rightwards. Correct. Next, displacement of the bob are total 2 meters. Kada idi. Andalo 1.2 ring. Balance bob ega 0.8. I don't believe. Okay. Displacement of the bob x component is minus capital M by small m plus capital M times displacement of the bob with respect to, మనం చేసాం already last week ఇది. So this will become 5, no, sorry, 2 by 5 times minus 2 minus 4 by 5 minus 0.8 meters. Right. Array, there is no horizontal force, and there is only one force, mg, weight vertically downward. So obviously center of mass will shift only along vertical direction, because there is no force in the horizontal direction. There is no force on the system. Sigma fx is equal to 0 on the system, not on one entity. So acceleration of center of mass x component is 0. But on the system, sigma Fi is not equal to 0. So therefore, ACMY is not equal to 0. So therefore, the center of mass will shift only along vertical direction is correct. Right. Next question. Two particles of equal mass, small m, are projected. Equal mass. The center of mass of the two particles. See, try to please understand whether it goes in parabolic path or not. Let me just see. Let me confirm. If mv1 cos theta 1 is equal to mv2 cos theta 2, what happens? Sigma px is 0. There is no momentum term in the x direction. There is no velocity. VCM x is equal to 0 in this case. And number two, center of mass will only have vertical component in that case. And G acts vertically downwards. So obviously, it cannot be a parabolic path. Cannot be a parabolic path. What path it is going to be? Straight line path. The straight line path. So therefore, we'll move in a parabolic path is wrong. Will not move in a parabolic path if m1 v1 cos theta 1 is equal to mv2 cos theta 2. Any doubt on this? Second, can move in vertical line. I have just shown that. Can move in a horizontal line. No, it cannot move in a horizontal line because weight acts. So this is also wrong. Can move in a straight line for any value? No, only if this is satisfied, it moves in a straight line path. Otherwise, it is a parabolic path. Why? Otherwise, what will happen? Center of mass will have some velocity like this. If m1 v1 cos theta 1 is not equal to mv2 cos theta 2. In fact, both the masses are same. Then in that case, what happens? This is how velocity of center of mass acts like, and this makes some angle theta, and this is like mg. It is same as something projected vertically upwards, making some angle theta with the horizontal. In that case, what happens? It follows a parabolic path. If this condition is not satisfied, it follows a parabolic path. If this condition is satisfied, it follows a straight line path. Right. Next. 21. Consider a rod lying along x-axis as shown. The length of the rod is L, and it is you can see that it is varying along x. The center of mass of the rod is at 3L by 4 comma 0. No, actually, I know the basic formula. XCM is integral lambda dx mx by integral lambda dx. ఇదందరూ చేశారే? All of you. Right. So therefore, lambda naught goes cancel. X cube d. I have done this in class actually. A model like this I have done in class. X cube 0 to L by x square dx 0 to L. You will get L power 4 by 4 L cube by 3. So clearly this is 3 by 4 L. So the center of mass of the rod is at 3L by 4 comma 0. Correct. No, see, 3L by 4 clearly is more than half the length of the rod. More than half the length of the rod. This is L by 2. But the center of mass is located here. The center of mass of the rod exists in the right half of the rod is a correct statement. This is a wrong statement. This is a wrong statement. See, all the three questions, first three questions which I have done, they are very easy. You can do comfortably. Next question. I think I have done such a model in your class. But only thing is, it is like P is equal to 1 plus 1 by root 2 x square. That is how you should convert the graph. I have given such a model, a plus bx square, something like this model I have done in class. Yes or no? How many have done this question? Right. Satvik, you cheyaleda? A. How many marks you got? Right. Now what is happening over here? M 1 plus 45, tan 45 is 1 kada? Sorry. Tan 45 is 1. 1 plus x square is correct. M v square dv by dx is equal to 1 plus x square. So therefore, v square, fortunately mass is 1 kg. V square dv is 1 plus x square dx. V cube by 3. And initially 1 by 3 because you said 1 meter per second and x is equal to 0. This is equal to, by after integration, you will get x here, x cube by 3 here. Therefore, finally, v cube is 1 plus 3x plus x cube. That's the relation. What do you want? One relation is correct. X cube plus 3x, correct. Put x is equal to 2 meter. Then v cube will be 1 plus 6 plus 8. 7 plus 8, 15. So obviously B is correct. These four questions, you have nothing to do. In case if you are not doing, you are not justifying. Right. This is lengthy. I will come later. This is also lengthy. As of my observation, I will come later. Next, 25th question. So if you stuck up with a lengthy question, what will happen? You will miss the opportunity to do easy questions thereafter. So in this question, if you see a block of mass M is released, okay, M is released on the track as shown in the figure. The track is a smooth from where to where? A to D. Till here it is smooth. And rough from D onward. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. Normal force exerted by the track just after crossing B. See, now this is a circular track. Please try to understand by the time you reach B here at this point. So you are experiencing, there is a gain. Half mv square is mg2 or m cancel. V square by R is V square by R is 4G. Right. So you are asking normal reaction. So therefore, in a pseudo force, which means centrifugal force, you'll take a part. Centrifugal force. and normal reaction. So therefore, from this, normal reaction is 4 mg. Normal reaction at C. By the way, by the time it reaches C, okay, at this point, it's another R. So therefore, half mv square is 3 mgr. So v square by r is 6g. But the problem here is mg plus mv square by r, 6 mg. mv square by r term, I'm directly writing here. Any doubts? And the normal reaction at C. And this is the normal reaction at P. This is, what is this term? Actually, mv square by r term at that point is 6 mg. So normal reaction at C is 7 mg. Correct. See, out of A, B, C positions, speed is maximum at C. I'm still surprised. This is also an easy question. How many did not do this question? Raise your hands. Why? How many steps? Each option one step. Next. This is the question which I have done in our class. How many did not do this question? Raise your hands. Why? Nuguru Jaila. Why? Done in class. Now, see, try to please understand. A quarter circle. No, first of all, just tell me what is the formula for center of mass of a disk like this. If you don't remember this formula, you cannot do anything because see my notes. I have done this in your class. Now, what is this? Sectional disk. What is that you are getting? 2 by 3 r sin theta by 2 by sin theta by 2. Yes or no? The same thing you require. The same thing you require here, which means the center of mass of this arrangement is somewhere over here, say, which is at a distance r. So what is r? Actually, r is nothing but 2 by 3 r sin theta by 2 by sin theta by 2 by theta by 2 or theta now. Pakka na? Right. If you don't trust me, put theta is equal to pi. You will get 4r by 3 pi. That is the center of mass location of a semicircular disk. Next, it is a square also actually. If not, this is a square also. If it is a square, the center of mass is located exactly at a distance a by root 2. A by root 2. You know, here A is nothing but R. A is nothing but R. So this is 2a by 3 sin theta by 2 by theta by 2. That is R. Now the question is, the x coordinate. No. Here, see, here removed this, right? I know. When full system is there, this is the location of the center of mass. We will take area. Who cares? This is my x-axis. Who cares? No issues. So XCM is A by root 2. Now this part is of mass. By the way, how to find? See, the removed part say is of mass M1. So, it is proportional to area. You know that clearly. So it is nothing but pi a square by 4. What is M2? M2 is nothing but a square minus pi a square by 4. Clear? Because we are taking, it is proportional to area. Otherwise, into sigma I will take. No issues. XCM means M1. Who is that? Pi a square by 4? 3a by 3 times 45 degrees, 90 degrees actually, theta. Means this is 45, 1 by root 2 by theta by 2, pi by 4. Right. So, Arya, just please, done mistake. M1 into plus M2 times, M2 is the removed portion. And some R, I am assuming some R by root 2 is my answer. Right. By M1 plus M2. It is nothing but pi, no, it is nothing but a square. Nothing but a square. Now the question is, M1 contains pi a square by 4, 2a by 3, 4 by pi root 2, M2, a square common, 1 minus pi by 4 times R. R refers to what? That I need to find. Let us take this as R dash. This is equal to a cube by root 2. See, by the way, a cube, a you can leave it here, right? Now, solving which, pi cancel, 4 cancel. Here, just you solve it, you'll get R dash. From R dash, R by root 2 is your answer. R dash, you will get R dash by root 2 is your answer. How many have done this question? Raise your hands. Right, remove. Now, how many know this? How many remember this formula by the time you are writing the exam? If you know this formula, you can do this. Right. Next. I think you can comfortably do this, and we have done n number of times such problems. I hope everyone should get the correct answer. I am not doing, this is nothing but mass of A into displacement of the Planck with respect, displacement of A with respect to Planck plus displacement of the Planck, MB, displacement of B with respect to Planck plus displacement of the Planck plus MP, displacement of the Planck is equal to 0. That's the relation, right? So how many do this question? Everyone in our class should do. Again, number of times I have done this model, right? Even this one also we have done. Okay, bye. Right. The 1 minute that 1 minute that we need to do is, what is the acceleration of the system? First of all, 4 minus 2 by 4 plus 2 times z. This will become 2 by 6. Z by 3 downwards actually. G by 3, that's all. What is the acceleration of the center of mass? Let us take downward direction as positive for a while. No issues. The acceleration of center of mass is 4 times z by 3 minus 2 times g by 3 by 6. This will become uh, 2 by 3g, and this is nothing but z by 9. And positive means downwards. Now, displacement of it starts from rest. Half ACM t square, half into g by 9 into 3. 3 square. So 9. Z by 2 means 5 meters. Here the problem is they should give Z is equal to 10 meter per second square. How many did not do this question? Hope everyone have done this question, right? Have you done this or not? Then leave. Next. 3 rods of linear mass densities are forming equilateral triangle of length ఎంతో కొంత. If the x coordinate of center of mass is alpha, then the value, I don't see all these things here. I don't see all these things. No, hold on. I'll take count for 1, and this is 2, and this is 3, right? Hold on. M1 is 1 unit, M2 is 3 units, M3 is 2 units. Agreed? Rest everything is the same. Next. Hold on. X1 is equal to L by 2, Y1 is equal to 0. X2 is equal to, this is 60 degrees. And remember, this is L by 2, boys. This is L by 2. The center of mass location is L by 2. So what is the x coordinate? L by 4. And y2, it is L by 2 sine 60. L by 2 sine 60 means root 3 by 4. Root 3L by 4. By the way, x3, more or less the same, but from this end, it is L by 4. So this will become 3L by 4. Y2, more or less the same. Right, done. What do you want? X coordinate of the center of mass. XCM is equal to 1 into L by 2 plus 3 into L by 4 plus 2 into 3L by 4 divided by 6. Remember, 2L by 4, 3L by 4, 5L by 4, 6L by 4, 11L by 4. 11 by 4 times L by 6. 11 by 24 times L is 12 by 11. Cancel. Half. So this is given as alpha. X. This is given as alpha. Okay. So 2 alpha is 1. 2 alpha is 1. Alpha is 1 by 2. 2 alpha is 1. How many did not do this? Raise your hands. Why? There is no option. Kada. No. Three particles of mass 2 kg, 3 kg, and 5 kg are placed on a straight line as shown. 2 kg mass is moved 3 meters towards left. 3 kg by 2 meters towards right. By how much? Yeah, I don't see all these things, man. M1 plus, M2 plus, M3 times delta XCM is equal to M1 delta X1 plus, M2 delta X2 plus, M3 delta X3. Hold on. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 times 2, take this direction as positive. So 2 meters left, okay, means minus 2 is equal to 2 times 2 kg block is moved 3 words left, minus 3. Yeah, 3 kg block moved 2 meters. Right, అందుకే 2 వేసాను. Next 5 kg, that I need to find. By the way, minus 20 is minus 6 plus 6. 5 delta x3. So delta x3 is minus 4. So minus 4 means left by 4 meters. How many did not do this? Right. How to do this? What to do this? These are all easy questions actually. Which are the following matches the above condition? Same question. What to do in all these things? See, only thing that I will write one particular equation. MC, displacement of C with respect to Planck plus displacement of the Planck. M, 1 minute. Period out of the right. Planck place we will use something else language. For that boat we will use boat we will use MP, displacement of P with respect to boat plus displacement of the boat plus yes, M capital M times displacement of M with respect to boat plus displacement of the boat plus M boat displacement of the boat is equal to 0. So from this, you will get one thing. Displacement of the board is minus MC SCB plus MP SPB plus MM SMB. Again, 1, 2, 3. By total mass of the system, MC plus MP plus M capital M plus M bold. Right. What to say? What to do with this? You substitute in all the three cases, the same formula. You substitute in all the three cases. Now, for example, I'll just show you one. Chintu walks to Pintu, holding the watermelon while Mintu and Pintu are standing on the platform. Means from this, if I use SB minus Chintu, whose mass is 30, displacement is 10 plus 0 plus 0. ఓకే వాటర్ మెలన్ వచ్చేసి 10 kgs 40. అంతేగా 40 చేతిలో ఉందిగా 40 by total mass of the system. You add all the 380 plus 30, 110 plus 10, 120. So this is nothing but minus 40 by 12 minus 120 కరెక్టే కదా కాదు 130. అరే ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండ్రా. ప్లాట్ఫామ్ 10 kg ప్లస్ ఇది 10 130 కరెక్ట్. This is like minus 40 by 30. Minus sign indicates left. So therefore, in this case, platform moves left and by an amount A. So 1 QA, correct. E question lo third one. How is this possible? Tell me. When you are accepting foolishly, when one happens, A should cause section C, A should happen. Obviously, platform, and then how come you do nothing to do with the one? No other option matches. See, I didn't even see section B, section C while I was doing this. I got minus 40 by 30, minus sign indicates it moves left, and the amount is 40 by 13. What else you want? Right. Next, which of the following? Now you go for two, all are two based. So one, see, once you accepted one QA, this is not possible. Now you check with the two. Chintu walks to Mintu and after giving the watermelon, come back to meet. Chintu walks to Mintu and after giving the watermelon, come back to meet Pintu while Pintu and Mintu are standing. Right. Now you should do this in two ways, two different parts. Two times you need to apply this. Two times. అర్థమవుతుందా నేను చెప్పేది? లేదు. You do it as another sum. Add watermelon, use the same formula. Use the same formula, only difference is use the same formula. Additionally, you add one more term here. What is that term? What is that term means? Add you take watermelon also. Displacement of the watermelon with respect to board plus mass of watermelon. That's all. That's all. So therefore, what you will get now? Minus Chintu walks to Mintu and after giving the watermelon, come back to meet Pintu. Right. So actually, the effective displacement is a 10 only. And Chintu mass is a 30. 30 into 10 plus 10. Plus. ఇది కదిలేదు లేదు, వీడు కదిలేదు లేదు. వాటర్మెలన్ ఏమైంది? 10 times 20 by 130. ఇందాకే క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం. సో minus 30 plus 300 plus 200. 500 means minus 50 by 30. So very clearly left. So therefore 2QB. Okay, order. How many did not do these questions? 3 questions, tell me. Have you all done these 3 questions? Very good. So which means I don't require to discuss the third question. Same formula. Use the same formula. You will get 4. 4 as a Mittu walks to Chintu. Okay, is that Mittu? Mittu walks to Chintu. Then Chintu walks to Pintu, holding the watermelon while Pintu is standing on the platform. So is there a విషయం ఏంటంటే వాటర్మెలన్ పరిస్థితి ఏంటి? Now we will take this formula now. We'll take this formula now. Why we don't require the old one? We just have modified, no, that. Just substitute this. Just substitute things here. So by substituting things here, you will have a situation. Yes, B is equal to ఇప్పుడు ఎవర్రా 4 గా మనం డిస్కస్ చేయాల్సింది. మింటూ వాక్స్ టు చింటూ. మింటూ చచ్చినాడు, ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాడు? మింటూ 30 వాక్స్ టు చింటూస్ ప్లేస్ minus 20. పాప మంచోడు ఎవడి క్వశ్చన్ మనకి పింటూ వీడు అసలు మారు జీరో ఈ సి ఎక్కడికి పోయింది దెన్ చిట్టు వాక్స్ టు పింటూ కుదురు పాడు లేదు 30 times 10 వాటర్ మెలన్ ఏమైంది పింటూ హోల్డింగ్ ది వాటర్ మెలన్ అంటే 10 into 10 ఓకేగా బై 130 అరే ఇది 300 ఇది 100 400 minus 600 minus 100 minus of minus plus 200 20 by 13 plus అంటే ఇక్కడ అరే వై మైనస్ సార్ లోపల పెద్దది ఉంది కదా మైనస్ ప్లస్ ఇది అంటే ఇది రైట్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు 4కి టీ పీకి సి 4PC రైట్ డన్ రైట్ నెక్స్ట్ do uniform disc of mass m and radius r is at man of the mass m/2 stands on the disc అరే నాకు ఇదేం కట్టలేదురా నాకు ఏదొచ్చినా కౌ COW కౌ I am imagining that this is a plank of mass small m and a man of mass m/2 and whose length is L. L is nothing but 2 pi r. Right. Questions like that. Now, man of mass, the man stands walking, the man starts walking along the periphery of the disc. The size of the man is negligible. Okay. When the man comes back to the same initial point, now which means displacement of the man with respect to Planck 0. After displacement of the Planck కూడా 0. డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ అరే వీళ్ళందరూ జీరో అయితే సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ మాత్రం డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ ఈస్ 0 3 జీరోలు వచ్చింది 0 0 1 QA అబ్సల్యూట్లీ కరెక్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ when a man completes half the displacement of the man with respect to Planck is pi r by 2. Displacement of the Planck is minus m/2 by m plus m/2 times pi r by 2. అంటే అప్పుడు ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది 1:3 అంతేనా ఏంట్రా మొత్తం అంతా ఏదో నాకే పట్టింది అన్నట్టు చూస్తున్నారు మీరు ఇది ఎంత వచ్చింది మీకు ఎంత వచ్చింది అనేది అరే ఒక్క నిమిషం ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ మిస్టేక్ 1 minute. Displacement of the man with respect to Planck 2r. అంతేగా అప్పుడు డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్లాంక్ ఏమవుతుంది minus m/2 by m plus m/2 times 2r. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఏమంత అవుతుంది -2/3r. అంటే వాడు మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ అడుగుతున్నారు కాబట్టి ఫైన్ నో ఇష్యూస్ అంటే ఇది 2p displacement of the man with respect to Planck displacement of the man with respect to ground ఏమవుతుంది -m/m plus మీకు గుర్తుందిగా మననే చేసాం ఇది ఇదేమవుతుంది 2/3 4r/3 కరెక్ట్ 4r/3 అండ్ ఇది మైనస్ అయితే ఇది ప్లస్ కావాలి రైట్ సో కాబట్టి 2కి Pకి B సరిపోయింది 35 ఓకేనా రైట్ యూనిఫార్మ్ థర్డ్ ఫోర్త్ చూసుకుందాం థర్డ్ వెన్ ఎ మ్యాన్ కంప్లీట్స్ 1/2 ఆఫ్ ద సర్కమ్ 1/2 అంటే దాని అర్థం ఏంటో తెలుసా 30 degrees 60 degrees అవునరా అనా ఇది 6 ఇది 6 ఇది 6 సో దేర్ ఫార్ ఇప్పుడు మరి మనకి ఏది వచ్చినా ఫార్ములా ఒకటే ఇప్పుడు ఇది కూడా రాసేస్తారు 1/3 times r ఇదైతే 1/3 అదే కదా m/2/m+m/2 ఇదే కదా జరిగేది 1/3 అసలు ఉందా మనకి 3కి ఎస్ ఉంది 3కి ఎస్ ఉన్న ఆప్షన్ అదొకటే ఒకటి చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి అయినా ఎందుకైనా మంచిది డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద మ్యాన్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు గ్రౌండ్ ఏమవుతుంది m/m+m/2 అంటే 2/3 ఉందిగా నెక్స్ట్ ఎప్పుడైతే 3SC కరెక్ట్ 3PC రాంగ్ వెన్ ద మ్యాన్ కంప్లీట్స్ అరే షిట్ మ్యాన్ 1కి 4కి ఏందిరా తేడా వెన్ ఎ మ్యాన్ కంప్లీట్స్ 2 rounds ఆఫ్ సర్కంఫరెన్స్ మళ్ళీ అక్కడికేసి వచ్చావు డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఈజ్ 0 డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ ఆఫ్ ద డిస్క్ ఈజ్ 0 సో నీకు ఏం రావాలి 1కి ఆన్సర్ రావాలో అంటే 4QA కావాలి లేదా ఆప్షన్ డన్ రైట్ ఒరే రన్ టైం చూడండి నేను మధ్యలో గ్యాప్స్ తీసుకున్న 40 minutes నాకు పేపర్ అయిపోయింది అది క్లీన్ హిట్ నెక్స్ట్ ఓన్లీ 2 questions are left. A fixed cubical container of side L is completely fitted with liquid. Okay, so what? A hole is made at the top surface of the air, so air to some top surface for the air to come inside the cube. At the bottom of the container, there is a valve which allows the liquid surface to move down with a constant velocity of 1 meter per second. The container will empty at t is equal to 10 seconds. The mass of the container is 10 kg. Mass of the liquid inside it has a mass of 10 kg. The side of the cubic container is 10 meter. See, try to please understand what will happen. I will explain. See, you will see a point. See, I am taking this as some y-axis for my convenience. See, one thing is fixed. Mass of the container 10 kg and its location this is 5 meter. Next, the liquid surface y అనుకుంటున్నారు free surface location y అరే యార్ free surface location man free surface location m2 is ఇక్కడ density the only issue is 10 power liquid density did not mentioned. Liquid density is not mentioned, but I can say that 10 kg is equal to 10 cube times rho mass, this volume times density. So rho is 10 to the power of minus 2. Correct again. So mass is density times volume. So therefore, this is y kg at any time. y2 ఏమవుతుంది? y by 2 ఉంటుంది. So ycm ఏమవుతుందో నాకు చెప్పండి. ycm is 10 into 5 plus y into y by 2 by mass sum 10 plus y. Boys, this will be 50 plus y square by 20 plus 2y. That is the location of YCM. ఏమా నేను ఒక్కసారి y square by 2 ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా తప్పు చేశానా? LCM లో ఏమవుతుంది? m1 plus m2 కదా. Okay, got it. 100 plus y square. Sure. Well, your observation is absolutely correct. That's the deal. ఇప్పుడు విషయం ఏంటంటే మీకు ఆ y కూడా మీరు రాసుకోవచ్చు. y ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ 10 minus speed is 1 meter per second. 10 minus t. ఎలా చూస్తారేంట్రా? At any point y ఎంత అంటే ఏమని చెప్తారు మీరు? టోటల్లీ 10. అందులోంచి పడిపోయింది is t because speed is 1. So therefore obviously this is going to be 100 plus y square 10 minus t whole square by 20 plus 2 times 10 minus t. I have given YCM. Right. Now, what is that you need to do is you just differentiate this with respect to t. You will get all the terms. How many have reached till this point in this question? How many have reached till this point? See, if you have reached till this point, obviously you are done. But it is a lengthy question, calculation based question. Rest everything is fine. Everything is fine. It's a calculation based question. I don't mind even if you leave this question. But in a full paper, suppose it's 60 by 60 student will do it at the last. Next question. 24th question. You can see that. Lambda is it changes. Okay. 2 rods of variable linear mass density as shown in the figure. For the rod 2, lambda bx square. For lambda 1, okay, no issues. See, how to handle this particular question, I'll just explain. Where lies the center of mass of, no, you take this as a different part, that as a, I think just now we have determined the location of this center of mass, just now. Hello, just now. So the left end, for the left end, the location of the center of mass is at a distance of 3L by 4. AX, do the same equation again. Okay, you will get this as 2L by 3. I'm not cheating you. Just now, we are just done. Here only. So what is that you need to do is for the left hand part, you will get integral x square dx by x dx. So L cube by 3 by L square by 2. You will get 2 by 3L. So therefore, in this case, the location of the center of mass is at a distance of 2 by 3L. This is 2 by 3L. Okay. That's all. What do you want? The location of center of mass of rod 2 is 3 by towards right. Now, length 2 meters given. Substitute. Now, what is the location? Now, if you are taking this as x is equal to 0, what is going to be the location of this? 3 by 2 meter. If you put L is equal to 2, what you are going to get? Minus 4 by 3 meter. Whether you do this or not, A and B can be done straight away. Next. By the way, I want mass also for this. See, the right side mass is equal to integral lambda dx, which is nothing but bx square dx, 0 to L. This is going to be b by 3 L cube. By the way, b is given as 3, so L cube. L cube ante 8, m1. Similarly, m2 వచ్చేసి lambda dx. ఇదేమొస్తుందిరా నాన్న? ax dx. కరెక్టేనా? అది you will get 3 by 2 into 2 cube, 2 square actually. 6 kg. Done. Now again you need to find the center of mass of the combined system. So how to find? M1 8, 3L by 4, 3 by 2 minus 6 times 4 by 3 by total mass of the system 14. By doing which you will get this one as 4, this one as 2, 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is 4 by 14 or 2 by 7 meter. Plus వచ్చింది కాబట్టి right side. That's all. Easy question. How many did not do this question? 24. Why? That's the reason I have done it last. Right. So this is the question paper. So what I am telling you is, out of this question, 19 can be done, 4 marks, 20 can be done, 4 marks, 21 can be done, 12 marks. Now, this can also be done, 16 marks, leave it, at least, leave it, no, you can do it, 20, this we have done a number of times in class, 23, 26, 39, this can also be done, 32, 35 are all 12 marks. Obviously, 12 కూడా కాదు కదా, 30, 80, 50 marks can easily be scored in this out of 60.